Hello students and welcome back again in geography class. Students, as you know that in this difficult situation we have not any other way to study. So we are using the online classes and I always pray to God all of you achieve the success and just get the good marks in your board examination. I always pray to God. Now students, in this video session now we are going to understand another topic in the topographical maps. So another topic in the topographical maps means now we are going to understand about the directions. Direction is another important element for your map, because students, without a direction you cannot find the conventional signs and symbols that are present in your topographical maps. So today in this video we are going to understand about the directions with the help of the conventional signs and symbols. I have already sent a picture of the conventional signs and symbols. I am again telling you that without conventional signs and symbols you cannot do anything, because if you are working on a topographical map, so you have to know how to going to read the topographical maps, and these conventional signs and symbols help us to read the topographical map or help in the reading of the topographical map. So all of you just start to read, start to learn the conventional signs and symbols. The different types of symbols are given, both the natural feature and the man-made feature, like the hut, police station, police chowki, post office, surveyed trees, natural forest. These types of conventional signs and symbols are given, so you always remember. But don't worry, but one time when you are start to reading this one, so you easily understand about these conventional signs and symbols. And this conventional signs and symbols is also present in your topographical map. Now if you are going to see a sample of the topographical map, so in the board question paper you will receive this type of sheet of the topographical maps. So now you see that these are the conventional signs and symbols are given in your topographical sheet. So with the help of these conventional signs and symbols you are going to study or read this topographical map, because these all the questions are depend on these conventional signs and symbols. So now students, again I am going to revise the topics that I have already taught you. Number one, when we started the chapter, so we have the introduction part of this topographical maps. I have told you that now in this session or in this academic year we are going to use the two types of maps, the 45D/7 and the 45D/10, and I have already told you about that the number that is representing these topo sheets, the 45D/7 and the 45D/10. The 45D/7 and the 45D/10 is a address of these topo sheet. Okay, so now again I am going to show you something about these numbers. So what the use of these numbers in the topographical maps. So now you see that this map, okay, now you see that few numbers are given. So now in this academic year we are using the 45D/7 and 45D/10. So now 45D/7, this is here. Now we are using this area particular. The 45D/7 is now representing the Sirohi district in Rajasthan area, and 45D/10 is showing the Banaskantha area in Gujarat. So now you see that in this map, now this is now showing the divisions of our country India by these numbers, and these numbers are showing the different areas of our country. So in simple word, if we are going to say, so these numbers are the address to represent the particular area of that country. Okay students, now again we are coming. So now this one is okay. Now all of you understand about the 45D/7 and 45D/10. Next point that we are going to understand the grid lines of the topographical maps that are present with the red color. Means the red color lines that are representing in topographical maps are known as the grid lines. And I have already told you about the easting lines and the northing lines. What the vertical lines is known as the easting lines and the horizontal line is known as the northing line. Why it is called the easting and why it is called the northing line? So all of you know that because now you see that the numbers are increasing in the east direction, 91, 92, 93, 94. So now it become the easting. And now here you see the number is increasing in the north direction. So now it become the northing line. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. So now it become the northing line. Again I am going to tell you now the next point that we understand how to find the 4-figure grid reference. How to find the 4-figure grid reference. So I have told you that in the 4-figure grid reference we take the easting line. First line we take the easting and then the below line that the point that is given we take the northing. Now suppose that now I am going to find the Antroli village. Now you see that focus. Now you see that the Antroli village is given. Okay, now these red boxes are the settlement or the houses that represent by the conventional signs and symbols. So this particular area is the Antroli village. Okay, now if I am going to ask you now what is the 4-figure of the Antroli village, so now you see that now this line, this is the first line of the easting to the left hand. Now Antroli. Now what is the grid number of the Antroli? 95. So now we write the 95. Then after that the below line of the Antroli village. Now you see that the 76. So now we write the 76. So 9576. So now it become the 9576 means the 4-digit number. So now 4-digit number it represent the 4-figure grid reference. Okay students. Now the revision over. Now today we are coming on the topic. Our new topic is the how to find the direction. Okay. Now the direction again I am telling you student, the direction is the most important element of the map. Because when we are working on the map, so without direction we cannot do anything. So now first how to find the different locations with the help of the direction in the topographical map. So now we are going to understand. Now you from class 3rd or 4th you start to read about the direction. So first we make the simple direction chart. Now you see that particular this point is known as the north, this point is known as the south, and this point is known as the west, and this point is known as the east. So now we have the 4 directions: north, south, west and east. Now I am going to make the sub directions like the north, east. Now it become the northeast. Then after that it become the southeast, and then after that it become the southwest, and then after that now you see that this become the northwest. Now we have the 8 cardinal direction. Now what? We have the 8 cardinal direction. So now with the help of these 8 cardinal direction we are going to find out the different types of locations that are present in our topographical map. Now understand. Again all of you come on the copy work. Up suppose that now here suppose that Delhi is given. Okay. Now this point is showing the Delhi. Okay. And this point is showing the Kolkata. Okay. Now if we are going to work to understand about the direction of Delhi from Kolkata, अगर हमें समझना हो कि कोलकाता से दिल्ली का डायरेक्शन क्या है, तो हम जैसे दिल्ली तो नॉर्थ में है और कोलकाता ईस्ट में है, तो अब हमें कोलकाता से दिल्ली का डायरेक्शन समझना है. तो अगर हम ईस्ट से नॉर्थ की तरफ देखते हैं तो हमें यहां बेटा नॉर्थ नहीं लिखना, क्योंकि दिल्ली इज ऑल्सो सिचुएटेड इन द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन इफ वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन जनरल वे, बट फ्रॉम द कोलकाता इफ वी आर गोइंग टू सी, तो नाउ यू सी दैट द एंगल इज मेकिंग दिस, the angle is making this. Okay, and now this angle is now reflecting which direction? Now the angle which is reflecting Which direction? So now it is reflecting NW. Okay. So now in this type, we are going to find the different types of directions that are present in our topographical maps. So now just all of you see that now I am going to make a small here. Now you see that north, then after that south, west and east. Okay. So now I am going to understand with the help of this topographical map Antroli. Okay, now here given the Antroli village, and now here just I am find the Nani Bhatmal. Okay, now here the Antroli village given, and now here the Nani Bhatmal village is given. Now if I am going to ask the question, what is the direction of नानी भटमल फ्रॉम द अंत्रोली? ओके, यहां ध्यान देना है कि हमें किसका डायरेक्शन बताना है. ठीक है, अब यहां पूछ रहा है नानी भटमल का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा अंत्रोली से. नानी भटमल का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा अंत्रोली से, यानी हमें नानी भटमल का डायरेक्शन बताना है. किसका डायरेक्शन बताना है? नानी भटमल का डायरेक्शन बताना है. और किस विलेज से बताना है? अंत्रोली से. अब अगर हम लोग इस जगह पे अपने इस कार्डिनल डायरेक्शन को सेट करते हैं, तो मान लो ये हमारा डायरेक्शन यहां पर नॉर्थ हो गया, यानी अगर हम ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं तो ये नॉर्थ हो गया, और ये हमारा वेस्ट था ही. तो लेकिन एंगल क्या बन रहा है? ये एंगल बन रहा है. तो इस एंगल में जब ये देखा हमने, तो यहां पे ये नॉर्थ और वेस्ट का डायरेक्शन बन रहा है. किसका डायरेक्शन बन रहा है? नॉर्थ और वेस्ट का डायरेक्शन बन रहा है. यानी नानी भटमल की पोजीशन क्या हो गई अंत्रोली से? नॉर्थ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. क्या हो गई? नॉर्थ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. ओके, तो अब इसी तरीके से हमें इसी कार्डिनल डायरेक्शन की हेल्प से जो हमारी 8 कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस हैं, मींस द 8 कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस आर गिवन. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज 8 कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस वी फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लोकेशंस इन आवर टोपोग्राफिकल मैप. मैं आपको बता दूं बेटा, ये 2 मार्क्स का पूछा जाता है. ओवरऑल पूरे जो टोपो शीट में क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो 20 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. 10 क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे जाएंगे. तो अभी हम लोगों ने एक 2 मार्क्स का टोपोग्राफिकल में एक 2 मार्क्स का हम लोगों ने 4 फिगर कवर किया है. फिर 2 मार्क्स का कलर के बारे में समझा है, जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कलर्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अवर टोपोग्राफिकल मैप. 4 मार्क्स. 2 मार्क्स का आज हम लोगों ने कवर कर लिया है डायरेक्शन को फाइंड करने का तरीका. व्हाट इज द वे टू फाइंड द डायरेक्शंस इन द टोपोग्राफिकल मैप्स. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे 6 मार्क्स के हो गए. और अगर हम लोग कन्वेंशनल साइंस और सिंबल्स को भी इसमें कैलकुलेट कर ले, तो लगभग हमारा 8 मार्क्स का टोपो शीट जो है वो कंप्लीट हो जाता है. क्योंकि इस बार हमारा जो है वो सिलेबस रिड्यूस हुआ है, तो इस बार हमें कंपास डायरेक्शन पे काम नहीं करना है. हमें खाली सिंपल अपने 8 कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस को पकड़ना है और उसके साथ हमें काम करना है. तो अभी जो सिंपल वे में हम लोगों ने टेक्निक सीखी है, दिस टेक्निक इज वेरी गुड फॉर फाइंड आउट द डायरेक्शंस. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही है डायरेक्शन, तो आप एक पेंसिल से अपने टोपो शीट पे अपने 8 कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस को ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. ये नॉर्थ, ये साउथ, ये वेस्ट और ये ईस्ट, और सब डायरेक्शंस को 8 डायरेक्शंस को आप ड्रॉ कर लेंगे और फिर वहां से फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. और एक चीज मैं बता दूं, लगभग अधिकतर बच्चे क्या होते हैं, गलत कर बैठते हैं. जब वो क्वेश्चन लिखा होता है, जैसे मैंने अभी पूछा व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द नानी भटमल फ्रॉम अंत्रोली विलेज, तो बच्चे अंत्रोली विलेज का डायरेक्शन लिख देते हैं. तो हमेशा हमें इन चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि हमें डायरेक्शन किसके बारे में बतानी है. डायरेक्शन हमें किसके बारे में बतानी है, हमें हड़बड़ी नहीं करनी. क्योंकि टोपोग्राफिकल मैप अगर एक बार समझ में आ जाती है तो बहुत इजी है. ठीक है, और बच्चे क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी जल्दीबाजी दिखाने के लिए वो कुछ छोटी छोटी माइनर मिस्टेक्स कर बैठते हैं और बोर्ड में उनके क्वेश्चंस क्या होते हैं, कट जाते हैं. तो हमें इस चीज से बचना है. क्योंकि अगर एक बार हम लोगों के सारे क्वेश्चन सही होने लगे, तो हम लोग बड़े इजीली 20 में 20 बोर्ड में लेकर चले आएंगे. तो हमारा जो मेन फोकस था आज, वो था डायरेक्शन फाइंड आउट करने का. तो अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट नाउ फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इन योर टोपोग्राफिकल मैप, the questions are given that are depend on to find the directions So all of you find the directions and solve this topographical map. And students, again I am requesting you, always just focus on the conventional signs and symbols, because the conventional signs and symbols are very important to read the map. If you are not able to read the map, then you are not going to solve any question on the topographical map sheet. Okay students, thank you.